Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2014 Infiniti Q60 that we have for sale. And you might be thinking it looks an awful lot like a G37 Coupe. Why are they calling it a Q60? Well, in 2014 Infiniti revamped all their model names. They decided to go for Q for cars and coupes and sedans, and QXs for SUVs and crossovers. So the G37 sedan ended up evolving into the Q40, then the Q50, and then the G37 Coupe became the Q60. Not to be confused with the completely redesigned brand new Q60, but for a little while the G37 Coupe was rebranded the Q60. So this nice example only has 45,427 miles, pretty low miles for a 2014. Most people average 13,000 miles a year in the United States. This is a clean Carfax vehicle from the West Coast. With Japanese build quality, these have proven to be very reliable vehicles. Probably one of the more reliable vehicles we've seen with Infiniti. They've been making this platform for a very long time. The engine's proven. Everything is very well proven on these cars. I've seen variations of these engines that they put in this G37 go 200 and 300,000 miles. This one has a beautiful leather interior. It has a moonroof, power and heated front seats, a 7-speed automatic transmission with manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back, you put it to the left. You push up to upshift, back to downshift. It will give you a rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. Nice aluminum trim. We all love that analog clock, dual zone auto climate control, Bose sound system. This has a navigation package as well as a rear parking camera. Automatic dimming mirror with universal garage door opener. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. And look at this, the whole gauge cluster actually goes up and down in the steering wheel. It's something that Infiniti doesn't put in their cars anymore, but for a little while Infiniti had these tilt gauge clusters, and it's a really nifty idea because it prevents the steering wheel from ever obstructing the gauges. It works really good. Also has memory seats, rear parking sensors. The Q60 is largely based on the Nissan 370Z platform. Basically, it's almost like a four-seater Grand Touring version of the Nissan 370Z. They share lots of DNA, including the engine, transmission, and suspension components. There's that amazing 3.7 liter V6, very powerful, pumps out close to 330 horsepower. You have maintenance-free timing chains, so you never need to worry about the cost replacement of those timing belts, of those timing chains. Those timing chains are zero maintenance. And are designed to last the service life of the engine 300,000 miles. And I can tell you, like I said before, I've seen variations of these engines go 200 and 300,000 miles. The Q60 has beautiful coupe styling, gorgeous, timeless design. I think the Q60/G37 Coupe will be a future classic. I'm a big fan of Infiniti. I've been with Infiniti for about 17 years. Great products. I own an Infiniti myself. I have an 05 G35 sedan, which I absolutely love. We have a complimentary shipping up to 250 miles. Contact us for more details. Usually we can get the vehicle to you within 48 hours. If you're in the market for a nice Japanese built sport luxury coupe, you can't go wrong with the G37/Q60 platform. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.